What is going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel, my first official video. This is my first video that makes it up on YouTube. I've tried to record a bunch of other videos that they just never made it on this channel or any other channel because I just I was having trouble with the edits. I mean it's something new for me, you know, so I don't really know how to do the whole editing thing. But oh, that's nice. I've never seen this offices. Yeah, I mean, you know, it's something new for me that I want to learn. So I've tried to record videos and make fun activities on the bike and stuff, and just start a channel, you know, but I just never had I wanted to do it, I just haven't had the cojones to start, you know, and that's the hard part, starting. I guess as a beginner you get so much ideas on what you want to do, but you don't actually know how to start or how to actually put it into action, you know. Like, you might be thinking about a lot of stuff and what you want to do with your channel, but since you're new and you have no idea how to do it, then that's when it becomes difficult. That's where I'm at right now. You know, I find it pretty hard trying to make videos, but here we are. You know, this is my first video, like I said, first official video. Today I'm just gonna be riding around town. I think I chose the wrong time to freaking ride. Traffic is so bad. And it's so freaking hot, man. It's 102 degrees outside. I am on a t-shirt and jeans, and I can feel my balls sweating already. And I haven't even ridden for more than 15 minutes. It's actually been 12 minutes since I started riding. I live in this freaking county. I just never been riding over here. It's amazing. I live in a pretty good neighborhood. Well, this is not a back road, but it does feel like it because there's not much traffic going through. I guess we can stay on this road for as long as we can. Try to see what we can find. Oh, that's a straight road. I'm trying to find a straight road like that. That way I can just vroom, see if I can do like 0 to 60. Oh shoot, it's a river. Don't go, you motherfucker, you know! What if I was going faster, buddy? Huh? What if I was going faster, motherfucker? Okay, I need to go back because these back roads are gonna end. The street I was trying to get over here. I already passed it. I wonder where it takes us. Should we take it? Yeah, let's go. That was as low as U-turn. Gravel. I've seen so many videos of people sliding on freaking gravel that I'm scared. shit, this is a two-way road. I don't like these gloves. They keep sliding down out of my hands. Like, no, buddy, you're here to protect me. Stay on, buddy. I need you like a condom. A condom. I need you to stay on me for my protection. I wonder if I can pick up the front tire here. No way, Jose, that was a fail. I need to watch more tutorials on how to wheelie. That was my fake laugh. I'm actually pretty sad. I can't wheelie. Alright guys, if my channel ever takes off, please don't go back to this video of me trying to wheelie. It was just an attempt. Like I said, I'm a new rider. I don't know shit, alright? So please, just disregard that part. It's gonna go on the video for entertainment purposes. That's it. Alright, so the heat's going down. It is 97 degrees, which is good. It was 102 earlier when I started riding. I mean, I'm sweating balls, but I can't tell the difference anymore. But it's cooler or less hot. What do you say? I don't know. It's not cool. Fuck. Delete, 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 delete. There we go. You got it, buddy. Let's see. What's going on, man?
Nice ride, brother.
Thank you. Where you going?
I love those fucking things, dude. I really do. I want one really bad.
Yeah, they're fun.
Too many wheelies, bro.
Yeah.
Straight left.
They're fucking fun.
Hey, ride safe, dude.
Alright, man, you too. That was a cool dude. I just met my first biker fellow. I don't know what the fuck. I'm excited, guys. Oh, that was cool as hell, man. That's the first thing that's ever happened to me. Every time I find somebody, it's on the road while I'm actually moving, you know. I've never had somebody pulled up to the side while I'm stopped at a red light or stop sign. Ah! Trying to rev my shit. Oh yeah, tunnel, tunnel, tunnel. I want to talk to you guys about myself a little bit. So I am 23 years old. I am a dad of a little boy. I have a... Is that a stop sign? No. Yeah, I have a little boy who is 2 years old. So I had him when I was 21. I am a Mexican American. First generation, I guess. Yeah, first generation Mexican American. I was born here in the US, but my dad, my mom, they were immigrants. They were illegal. So, does that make me illegal? I mean, I was born here, but my parents weren't from here. Huh, that's an interesting question. I don't know. I mean, I have papers. I was born here, but being born from immigrant parents without papers, does that make you illegal? I don't think so. Hopefully not. Oh man, with this situation, with this president that we got right now, it's just a little crazy to just say that you're Hispanic or just from another country, you know, or just Mexican, you know. Feels like everybody has it against a Mexican. But no, I mean, my dad's he's a citizen now. He did everything the right way, guys. I mean, not coming here, you know, he was illegal, but then he got his citizenship. My mom, on the other hand, she went back to Mexico. My parents divorced, and she is in the motherland, enjoying her life over there. I visit her every year or every other year, and that's it, you know. That's how we just keep communication over the phone or FaceTime and stuff like that. It's my first motorcycle. I'm about to become self-employed, guys. That's a great accomplishment in my life. I quit my job to become self-employed. Oh, somebody got stopped. I guess I gotta go slower now. Yeah, this is a great accomplishment in my life. I'm pretty proud of it. I no longer work right now. I'm not working. I took a few weeks off, but we're gonna go at it hopefully pretty soon as a full-time self-employed person. That's why I kind of wanted to try this YouTube thing, you know. I'll probably have a little bit more free time on my hands, or just more freedom to do things, you know, because I had a job and I was miserable, guys. I was miserable. I mean, but that's a talk for another video, or topic for another video, so I'll leave that for another video. But we'll see how this new life goes for me, you know. I guess you guys are going to be part of my journey, because I am starting my YouTube channel pretty much at the same time that I am becoming self-employed. So cheers to that. But yeah, I mean, this is my channel, guys. Welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching my first video. You know, I know it was all over the place, and it's probably gonna be pretty long. I'm gonna try to cut it down as much as possible, but you know, I did talk a lot, but then again, I did talk a lot of nonsense, so we'll see how it goes. All right, guys, well, I think this is gonna be it for me. I'm gonna end the video right here. I don't really have much to say anymore, at least for now. But if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe, like the video, comment down below, share the video. You know, everything to help me out. This is my first video ever. So thanks for watching if you got in this far, and if not, then I hope you like or watch my next video or you come across me again, or when I'm fun. I know this video was all over the place. I really didn't know what to talk about, but I just did it to kind of get rid of that fear of starting my YouTube channel, you know. So if you have any questions, ideas, or comments, please put them in the comment section down below. I will respond to them as soon as possible. I don't have any subscribers yet, so I will get to you pretty soon. With that being said, that is gonna be it for me, guys. Peace.